Monday, May 27. At the beginning of the coming week, Germany will be the first to report important economic events. At 11:30, it will publish the Business Climate Index. The calculation is based on a sample of 7,000 monthly reports from companies in the manufacturing, construction, wholesale and retail sectors. Values higher than expected are considered favorable for euro, while lower values are considered negative. Monday, May 27. At the beginning of the coming week, Germany will be the first to report important economic events. At 11:30, it will publish the Business Climate Index. The calculation is based on a sample of 7,000 monthly reports from companies in the manufacturing, construction, wholesale and retail sectors. Values higher than expected are considered favorable for euro, while lower values are considered negative. Tuesday, May 28. Australia will be the focus of traders' attention on Tuesday. At 4:30, it will report on retail sales. The data reflects the change in turnover from sales of goods at retail outlets in the quarter under review compared to the same period last year. If the growth of retail sales slows down, it may have a negative impact on the Australian dollar. At 17 o'clock, DS will release the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index. It is designed to gauge the average consumer's financial health, purchasing power and confidence in the market. A rising consumer confidence is very likely to mean that people will spend more and make large purchases. A strong consumer confidence report, especially at a time when the economy is lagging, can move currency markets dramatically. Wednesday, May 29. On May 29 at 4:30, Australia will report construction work down. The data reflects the change in the number of completed residential and non-residential building and engineering construction projects in the quarter under review compared to the previous quarter. The calculation takes into account engineering and construction work completed for both the private and public sectors. The growth of the indicator may positively affect the Australian dollar. At 15 o'clock, Germany will report on the Consumer Price Index. It reflects the average dynamics of price changes for all goods and services, including food, cars, spare parts, service and other. The index plays a central role in assessing inflation, real economic growth, wage decisions and national accounts adjustments. An increase in the index often has a positive impact on the euro. Thursday, May 30. On this date, market players will be focused on Switzerland. The country is due to announce GDP data by 10 o'clock. The report reflects the change in the market value of goods and services produced within the state in the reporting quarter compared to the previous quarter. A stable GDP growth means stability of both the economic and financial system. Therefore, it may have a positive impact on the Swiss franc. A similar report on GDP in quarterly terms will be published by the US at 15:30. The United States Bureau of Economic Analysis estimates the components of GDP based on data from surveys of retailers, manufacturers and builders and by analyzing trade flows. When GDP rises, inflation usually rises. Up to a point, this spurs the economy and dollar rise. Friday, May 31. At 4 o'clock, China will report the Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index. This is an alternative indicator of China's PMI, which is calculated by government statistics authorities. Purchasing managers are the earliest to face changes in business conditions, and therefore the index can serve as a leading indicator of the state of the country's industrial sector. Growth is positive for the yuan. France will be the last to report in the coming week. At 9:45, the GDP report is expected there. It reflects the change in the market value of goods and services produced within the country in the reporting quarter compared to the previous quarter. The indicator is calculated on the basis of statistical data, forecasting models and expert estimates. GDP growth may have a positive impact on the quotations of the single currency.